Structure of a sentence. What is structure in a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. It is used to communicate ideas and information. A sentence begins with a capital letter. David wrote a letter. I want to sleep at home, but on the other hand, I have to get into work and earn money. The average length of a sentence is between about 10 to 20 words. Sentences of about 30 to 40 words are generally considered too long. The subject is a noun or pronoun that shows who or what is doing the action. The dog ran very fast. The verb shows the action or state of being. Sun rises in the east. A sentence contains a subject and a verb. She enjoys walking in the park every morning. Walking in a sentence could be used like this, meaning she regularly goes for a stroll in the park as a form of exercise or leisure activity.